Don't throw away the seeds of rambutan after eating. I'll teach you how to grow a fruit tree with it. Tree life. And you can eat the fruit you planted in a few years. I believe many people have eaten rambutan. Its skin has many soft, furry spikes. It tastes sweet and sour, and the flesh is a bit like lychee. It sells for 20 to 30 yuan per caddy in the market, which is very expensive. After peeling the red hairy fruit, eat the flesh. Choose a large and plump seed as a seed. To make them germinate quickly, we can use the tissue paper germination method. When the temperature is above 15 degrees, soak the tissue in water until it's fully wet. Then wrap the rambutan seeds in it and seal it in a box. To create a small environment with constant temperature and humidity, place them in a shady place. After 7 days, the seeds of rambutan will germinate, and some roots will grow. Now you can plant them in the seedling pot. Although rambutan doesn't have high soil requirements, but the pH value should be between 4.5 and 6.5. Rich in organic matter, it grows faster in well-drained soil. After transplanting, water them thoroughly. In the early stage, place the seedlings in a shady place, away from sunlight, to acclimate, and then put them in a sunny place about 10 days later. Rambutan is not drought-tolerant in the seedling stage. They need to be watered in time to keep the soil moist. Apply fertilizer every 20 days or so, which can make them grow faster. When the saplings are about 30 centimeters tall, they can be transplanted into a greenhouse or field. Note that rambutan has male and female plants, with a male plant proportion of 30%. And the seedlings grown from seeds will bear fruit in 5 years. When the seedlings grow to a certain extent, you can take some branches from the neighbor's tree. Cut a few branches for grafting. You can eat the fruit in 2 or 3 years through grafting. Compared with saplings propagated by high pressure, the root system of the seedling as the rootstock is stronger and grow faster. Let those who want to grow it have a reference. Have you learned it?